How to hide your phone number on Telegram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram. Log into your account. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines located at top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings, which is below Saved Messages. After you click on Settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Privacy and Security. And then scroll down to Privacy. In Privacy, you will find Phone Number. Click on it. And you will find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure it's in Nobody. Blue dot should be in Nobody. After you do that, simply click on Tick Mark at the top right. And you're good to go. This is how to hide your phone number on Telegram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.